Top 5 Best Gaming Keyboard for PS5. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL HyperMagnetic. Closing the list is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL HyperMagnetic keyboard, offering versatility and performance for PS5 gaming. The TKL design saves space while maintaining essential keys for gaming and productivity. What sets the Apex Pro apart is its customizable mechanical switches with adjustable actuation, allowing users to fine-tune the key sensitivity according to their preferences. The HyperX magnetic switches deliver a smooth and tactile typing experience. With customizable RGB lighting, a sturdy aluminum frame, and dedicated multimedia controls, the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL is a premium choice for PS5 gamers seeking a feature-rich and responsive gaming keyboard. Coming in number 4, Glorious Gaming GMMK Pro 75%. The Glorious Gaming GMMK Pro 75% keyboard secures the 4th position with its modular and customizable design. This mechanical keyboard features a 75% layout, combining compactness with essential functionality. The GMMK Pro stands out with its hot swappable switches, allowing users to experiment with different mechanical switches without soldering. The solid aluminum frame provides durability, and the detachable USB-C cable ensures portability. With customizable RGB lighting, programmable macros, and a sleek aesthetic, the Glorious Gaming GMMK Pro 75% caters to gamers looking for a personalized and high-performance keyboard for their PS5 setup. Coming in number 3, Asus Raj Azoth 75% Wireless DIY. The Asus Raj Azoth 75% Wireless DIY keyboard takes the 3rd spot, providing a unique combination of customization and wireless functionality. This keyboard comes in a compact 75% layout, saving space without sacrificing essential keys. The DIY aspect allows users to swap switches and customize keycaps, catering to individual preferences. The wireless connectivity ensures a clutter-free gaming environment, and the Raj PBT double-shot keycaps enhance durability and Key Legends longevity. With per-key RGB lighting, dedicated media controls, and a detachable USB-C cable, the Asus Raj Azoth 75% offers versatility and performance for PS5 gamers. Coming in number 2, Logitech G Pro X TKL LIGHTSPEED. The Logitech G Pro X TKL LIGHTSPEED keyboard secures the 2nd position, boasting advanced wireless technology for a lag-free gaming experience. This tankless mechanical keyboard is designed with esports professionals in mind, featuring hot swappable switches for customization and maintenance convenience. The LIGHTSPEED wireless connectivity ensures a reliable and responsive connection, while the compact and portable design makes it suitable for PS5 gaming setups. With customizable RGB lighting, programmable macros, and a durable build, the Logitech G Pro X TKL LIGHTSPEED offers a high-performance gaming solution for PS5 players. Coming in number 1, Razer Turret Wireless Mechanical. The Razer Turret Wireless Mechanical keyboard takes the top spot on the list for its seamless integration with the PS5. Offering a wireless connection, this mechanical keyboard provides a responsive and tactile gaming experience. The built-in lapboard design makes it convenient for gaming from the couch, ensuring comfort during long gaming sessions. The Razer Turret also comes with a dedicated retractable mousepad, eliminating the need for an additional surface for your gaming mouse. With Razer's signature chroma RGB lighting, customizable key switches, and a compact layout, the Turret delivers a premium gaming experience for PS5 enthusiasts.